Welcome to the xTool O1 Omni Printer family. Meet the single UV edition, the dual head UV edition, and the UV and DT fabric edition.
Wait, they really do look the same.
Well, yes and no. They share the same sleek design, but each one is built for a completely different creative purpose. In this video, we'll break down every edition and help you to find the best match for your creative goals. Before we compare the differences, let's look at what every O1 has in common. First, precision. Every model comes equipped with the world's first pixel scan vision system that automatically scans, aligns, and focuses far more accurately than a standard camera. Second, premium creative effects. Every O1 Omni can create stunning 7mm embossed textures, bringing depth and detail to life. Plus, with our AI art generator, you can create unique effects like stained glass styles, lenticular prints, and floating 3D visuals with just one click. Third, a versatile accessory ecosystem. To unlock your full creative potential, every O1 model works seamlessly with our accessory lineup. Add the Rotary attachment to customize tumblers, mugs, bottles, and more. Or pair the roll feeder and laminator to streamline UV DTF sticker and canvas workflows. The laminator can also work on its own, adding premium gold or silver foil effects to your creations. Fourth, worry-free maintenance. You can go on vacation for weeks without worrying about clogged printheads with our Smart Cycle 2.0 maintenance system. And yes, it's totally indoor safe. O1 comes with a built-in dual-layer air purification system that removes up to 96.4% of TVOCs. Plus, our UV inks are GreenGuard Gold certified for cleaner indoor air and tested free from reproductive toxins. Our exclusive DT fabric inks are Oeko-Tex certified for skin-safe wearable apparel. Now, let's break down what makes each O1 unique and find the right edition for you. We'll start with the single UV edition. It's the most affordable way to start professional UV printing. Equipped with a single Epson F1080 printhead and CMYK white and varnish ink channels. This edition is designed to print directly on a wide range of hard surfaces, including glass, metal, acrylic, ceramics, and wood. Your designs come out vibrant with scratch-resistant finishes, built to last. It's the ideal choice for creators who want professional quality customization without investing in a more advanced setup, delivering stunning results across everyday personalized products. Next is the dual head UV edition. More UV power for creators who want premium effects and higher productivity. With a second printhead, this model unlocks dedicated channels for dual flexible white, dual rigid white, and fluorescent inks. What does this mean for your creations? First, maximum production efficiency. Because the second printhead doubles your white ink output, it drastically cuts down the time spent laying down the white base. For standard flat prints with white and color layers, the dual head edition is 25% faster than the single head edition. And for advanced effects like 3D embossing and textured finishes that require multiple layers of white ink, it delivers 40% faster printing. Second, expand your material possibilities with flexible white ink. You can print on flexible materials like leather and silicone, creating durable designs that can bend without cracking or peeling. You can even build thick embossed designs and heat press them onto fabrics and other surfaces to create custom patches. Third, create more eye-catching effects. With fluorescent yellow and red inks, you can create vibrant neon effects that glow under blacklight. Perfect for Halloween decorations, party items, and event products. Designed to stand out. If you want to create higher value UV products, expand your customization business, or offer unique specialty effects, the dual head UV edition gives you the extra creative power and production flexibility you need. Finally, we have our revolutionary hybrid, the UV and DT Fabric Edition. This is the industry's first desktop platform that handles everything from hard goods to wearable fabric. Traditionally, Covering all these applications meant buying 3 separate industrial setups: a UV printer for hard goods, a DTG printer for direct garment printing, and a DTF printer for heat transfer applications. Together, that would easily cost you over $9,000 and eat up your entire workspace. The O1 Omni changes everything. By combining one UV print head with one dedicated fabric print head, it brings all these capabilities together in one compact system at roughly 1/3 of the cost. The real innovation is our exclusive fabric ink system. With a single set of fabric inks, it supports both direct garment printing and film transfer workflows. For DTG, you can print directly onto cotton-based items, like t-shirts and towels, creating soft, breathable designs with a premium feel that can withstand approximately 30 to 50 washes. For DTF, you can print designs onto transfer film first, then heat press them onto a wider range of fabrics and apparel, creating durable transfers that can withstand up to 50 washes. Both DTG and DTF workflows are finished with heat pressing to deliver durable, washable results. DTF transfers require a quick powdering and curing step before pressing, and xTool's Wonder Press helps make the finishing process easier with integrated pressing and curing. Future updates will also support switching between flexible white and rigid white UV ink configurations, giving you even more flexibility across different materials. Looking ahead, you can even pair this hybrid edition with our upcoming embroidery machine to unlock stunning full-color embroider and print combination crafts. If you are looking to expand beyond traditional UV printing, test new fabric applications, or build a more versatile personalization studio without investing in multiple machines, the UV and DT Fabric Edition gives you the flexibility to create more with one compact system. So, which O1 belongs in your workspace? Here's a quick guide to help you decide. Choose the single UV edition if you want the most affordable way to start professional UV printing on hard goods. Step up to the dual head UV edition if you need faster speeds, neon effects, or flexibility for soft and bendable surfaces. Go with the UV and DT Fabric Edition if you want to expand beyond UV printing and create both hard goods and wearable products from one compact machine. Whether you're starting your personalization journey, growing your UV business, or creating custom apparel, there's an O1 built for you. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you'll create with the xTool O1 Omni Printer.